Demystifying Hose Bib, a deep dive. Hello learners! In today's video, we're going to explore a very specific English phrase that you might come across in everyday life, especially if you're dealing with household tasks or gardening. It's called the hose bib. Let's break it down step by step. To understand the term hose bib, we first need to clarify the word hose. A hose is a long, flexible tube designed to carry liquids. Think of the tubes you might use to water plants in your garden or wash your car. That's a hose. They can be made from rubber, plastic, or other materials and can vary in length. Now, let's tackle the second word, bib. In general English, a bib is something that you might place on a baby to protect their clothing from food while they eat. However, in the context of hose bib, the meaning is different. Here, a bib refers to a water faucet or spigot that you can attach a hose to. It's like a tap, usually found outside homes, which you can turn on or off to control the flow of water. Combining the two terms, a hose bib is essentially an outdoor faucet where you can attach a hose. It's particularly useful because you can control the flow of water to the hose. If you're gardening or washing your car, for example, the hose bib becomes a very handy tool to have around your home. So there you have it. The term hose bib might sound a bit unusual at first, but once you break it down, it becomes much clearer. It's simply an outdoor faucet designed for attaching hoses. We hope this video sheds light on this phrase and makes your English learning journey a bit easier. Until next time, keep exploring and happy learning.